You know how to use this? I don't. I don't use it to the fullest potential. Do you? You have 3 buttons, an on and off, a link, and a record. Each button is a 2-stage. Did you know that? Let's start off with the on and off button. Oh, before I get started, did you know you have another area that has 2 things involved as well? The on and off button. This simply turns the unit on and off, and it also turns on and off the artificial noise intelligence. And it also has a third feature, a buzz. If we wanted to, we can do a double tap, but double tap is not activated or can do anything. DJI can activate it for us if we wanted an added feature. The next one is your pair and link. Oh yeah, if you press it once, what does it do? It records. It's a shutter release button. And then, as we know, you long press it, it links. And that's all it does. If you double tap it, nothing. And does it buzz? Not at all. And of course, we got the record button. And what does that do when you short press it? It records. And what happens when you long press it? It switches. And what does it do if it buzzes? Single and double. Record, start, and stop. Oh, you know the last one? I still got one more. But I'll tell you the last one. Yeah, the jack port, the 1/4 or 3.5 millimeter jack port is also your mic muff holder. And let me just tell you that very, 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 very last one. You got a clip. And the clip could be put on anything. It's not just a 2 thing, it's a 3 thing. The clip could be clipped on your shirt, your belt. It could be clipped onto a lanyard like I have here. And then, of course, there's an accessory on it. And the accessory's got a magnet that you can clip in and out anywhere on your clothing, as long as it's not super duper thick. The DJI Mic 2 standalone. The DJI Mic 2 comes in 2 colors, black and white. How sweet is that? You got a lot of 2s there, right? Well, you got 2 microphones you can hook up to a receiver, and you got a receiver that you cannot purchase, and you got a receiver that you could do a lot of switching this and that. You got a camera that you could do a lot of switching as well. But you got your smartphone and the Mimo app and nothing more. Do you like your DJI Mic 2? Does it do everything that you want it to do just as is? Hooked up to nothing but the microphone as a recorder. Do you like your DJI Mic 2 with your smartphone, your computer, your external products that you could hook it up to? Do you like your DJI Mic 2 standalone to the Action 4 and Pocket 3? And last but not least, do you like your DJI Mic or Mic 2s with your receiver as well as the case if you purchase the 2 different kits? Woohoo! I love my DJI Mic 2. I don't hate it, I don't like it, and I don't love it. But I do appreciate that it works quite well for what I need to do with it. Yeah, man, the Mic 2 does a great job. It won't fail you like that tree branch did. I hope you enjoy your Mic 2, no matter how you put yours into use. I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining. Show of course. Don't forget to participate down below. I'll catch you on many other videos to come, and see you next time.